Here's Frosty. He's one of my two porch chickens. Frosty and Aunt Jemima, his new bride. She's brown. Let's go over here. There's my soil mixing area. Mixing up soil. And there's that chicken. He thought I had some food. He come running. No, I don't have any goodies for you, buddy. Not today. I let them out about an hour ago, and they're out hunting for whatever goodies they can find. I don't know where the rest of them. Oh, my ducks are in the neighbor's yard. Uh-oh. They're finding bugs over there. They do like their scrub, but I'm going to cut most of this out this year. Set up a new pen over here. Get my pig coop set up. Yep, and the ducks are hunting over there. They're in Joe's yard. Well, Frosty's coming over this way. Hey, buddy.